Hello, I am Professor Kakade Aryam from Artsu Technical Campus, MBA Department. Subject name is Service Marketing and Chapter 2nd Traditional Marketing Mix Elements in Services. So today I will discuss your point message transmitted through traditional marketing channel. Means the principal elements of message transmitted through marketing channels are including point first one advertisement. What is meant by advertisement related to marketing channel? That is the most commonly used form the communication in consumer marketing and is often the first point of contact between service marketer and their customer is advertising. It forms reminding the public awareness and plays an important role in the providing factual information about the service and educating customer about product features and capability. The most important challenges facing the advertisement is getting the consumer attention, that is advertisement related to marketing channel. So second one, public relation. Means public relation involve effort the simulated position interest in an organization. A basic elements in public relation strategy is the preparation and distribution of the press release including photo and videos that feature stories about the company, its product they employ on the organization. Public relation is done by the sending out of news release, holding press conference, special event and sponsoring activities but by the third parties. This tool help service organization build reputation and clarify from the strong relationship with its employee, customer and the community, secure and image conveys to the business success. Other widely methods include recognition, reward program, obtain the transmitted from public figure, communication involved and support the obtain favorable publicity of the organization through special event, that is public relation. So next one, direct marketing. What is meant by direct marketing? Tools such as millions mail and text message are included in this channel. This channel offers the potential to send personalized message to the highly targeted micro segment. Commercial service are the available that the compare company collected data with rich third party online the offline data sources. When marketer process the detailed database of information about customer and prospect, direct strategy will success. Direct marketing. Next one, sales promotion. Looking at the sales promotion as a communication with an incentive is a good way. Sales promotion usually are specific to a time period, price or customer group sometime all there typically and objective to get customer to make a purchase decision faster or encourage customer to use specific service in greater value the each purchase or more frequently use the this from the increase sales during period and the demand will be otherwise be weak speed up to introduction and accept of news service. Okay, and generally get customer to act faster than they would in the space of any promotional incentive, that is sales promotion including point to marketing channel. So next one, personal selling. What is meant by personal selling? This refer to interpersonal encounters in which effort are made educated customer and promote the particular brand or product. Many firms, especially those marketing business to business service, have a sales team of the agent and distributor to undertake personal selling effort on their behalf. That is personal selling. So next one, trade show. What is meant by trade show? Trade shows are a popular form of the publicity that also include important personal selling opportunities in the business to business marketplace. Trade show receive a lot of media coverage and the offer business customer and the opportunity to find out of the latest offering from the wide verify the supplier in the field in many industry. Okay, trade show can be verify productly promotional tools because they are among the few opportunity in which large numbers of the potential buyers come to marketer rather than the other the way around. A sales who usually reaches for the 5 prospect clients per day may be the able to generate 5 useful leads per hour at show. Service vendor provided physical evidence on the exhibition sample demonstrated vouchers educated impress this potential customer, that is trade show. So next point, message transmitted through the internet means advertising on internet allows the companies to complement and sometimes even the substitute traditional communication channel at the reasonable cost. Means remember internet advertisement show be part of the integrated well designed communication strategy. So including point is first one, company's website. Marketer use their own website for a variety of the communication tasks, including promoting consumer awareness and internet, providing information and consultant, facilitate two-way communication with the customer through email and chat room, simulating product trial, inbound customer to space order, etc. Okay, that is company website. So next one, online advertisement means banner advertisement and search engine advertising are the two main options of the online advertisement. By advertising online, the provided a very clear and the measurable return on investment, especially when compared to other from an advertisement. Online advertising including point related search engine advertising. What is meant by search engine advertising? Search engine are from a reserve broadcast network. Okay, instant to advertising broadcasting their message to consumer search engine. Let advertising known exactly what customer want through their keyboard. That is search engine advertisement. Advertisement that is can target relevant marketing. Okay, communication directly at the comes on of the impersonal success stories of the search engine advertising has been the Google firm like Yahoo, MSN seeking become the major players in this field. So online advertising related next point including banner advertising. Many firms pay to place advertising banner and buttons on portable like Yahoo or CNN as well as on other firm website. Thus usual Google and goal to draw online traffic to the advertisement. On site many instance website including the advertising message from the other marketer with related to non-company service. For example, Yahoo stock quotas, page features and the sequence of advertising of various financial service provided. Okay, so next one, moving from impersonal to personal communication means moving from personal to impersonal communication. That is communication expert divided impersonal communication. Technology has created a gray area between personal and impersonal communication. Means with the advance of the non-demand technologies, consumer and employee to decide how and when they like the reached. This development in transmitted marketing communication not only the internet but also on TV and radio. That is moving from personal and impersonal communication. So thank you so much.